Not sure if this is actually going to make it into the video or not, or what I'm doing here, but I'm in the middle of nowhere apparently, and I figure what better place than to attempt to fly this drone.
What's up guys, Future Chris here. Before we get completely into the video, footage was completely random. I wasn't planning on making a video when I went to this place, but then it turned out to be pretty cool, and I had the camera with me, so I started filming. So, especially some of this footage felt a lot cooler than it looks, but it definitely still was pretty cool, so enjoy. Back to the video.
Don't really know what I'm doing. Not sure. Battery 33%. Don't even know if this guy's turning on. DJI Go. Oh, this app isn't even downloaded. Great.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Don't think this is gonna work. I gotta download the app, and like I said, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Awesome. It's on GPS mode. Let's see what we got here. I don't actually know how to make it take off. Gonna do this together. I don't know if you can see back there. So it was a little bit of an impromptu attempt, and it failed because I didn't have the app downloaded, not updated. Another ZR2, but I'm not gonna shove the camera in his face. Pretty cool. Alright, I found this cool little spot. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna attempt to maybe drift that or something. Probably gonna foot brake it. Left foot brake just to get the tires spinning a little bit better, so don't get the speed up too high, because I just tried to do a donut and it was a little more grippy than let me feel comfortable with, so we're gonna go with that. So this Onyx off-road app, I don't know if there's a setting or what, but it keeps, it doesn't like follow me where I'm going whenever my phone locks out, so I gotta keep unlocking my phone to get the GPS to follow me. I don't know if that's just a setting in the app or I just gotta reboot it, but a little annoying. I just gotta get a little video of where the hell I am, because this is probably rock or very hard clay or whatever, but where the hell am I right now? Look at this. This is sick. Love to drive up one of these things, but I'm a little chicken. That one's pretty steep. This one might be doable. Kind of scared though. It was kind of scary, but since I did it, it's not that bad. I know my wife would have been freaking out. I think it's time to start heading back, because I don't know how much more of this trail there is before I get to the end of it, and it looks like I parked in the area that had nails. Awesome. I think I have found Mars. Where am I? So I'm not gonna actually do anything too wild, because let me just check these things out in here. Because I don't have a flag, and I think you're supposed to have a, I guess they call it a whip flag or whatever. I think you're supposed to have one coming off your vehicle. I don't know how high up off of the vehicle, so I guess you could see other vehicles coming over these hills. So I'm probably not going to do anything in the name of safety. I don't know how I missed this before, but there's a dinosaur. It's cool. Probably should have mentioned I'm headed back home now. A little exploring today. Found some cool spots. I don't know what to do with those spots now that I know that they're there. I mean, I'll figure something out. We've been thinking about getting a side-by-side. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I feel like that would be the best use of an extra vehicle in this area, because there was we had talks of getting some sort of convertible car used. I would pick it as long as it's convertible. But I think a side-by-side would get used more and more enjoyable. Like, the car would be nice to just run around town, but a lot of the time running around town we're doing errands that we need the truck for. So we don't know yet. Side-by-side seems a lot more fun. Plus you can make them road legal and drive them on the streets up to, I forget what the speed limit of them are, but I was just on a parkway where the speed limit was 65 and I saw two people driving them down the parkway. So I don't know if it's really enforced. There's a possibility it is enforced. Maybe they just didn't get caught. Maybe no one gives a shit. I don't know. But it's I think that's a cool option for sure. Because I did want a pre-runner style truck. If you don't know what a pre-runner truck is, I'll just flash one up on the screen now. Basically, I guess it would be a long travel suspension. Not all of them do, because a lot of them are projects and that stuff gets really expensive. But I guess it would be a long travel truck that basically just two-wheel drive also, to just go over stuff fast. Not rock crawling, but like through like sand dunes and stuff like that. That's still a possibility. I still kind of want one of those. But I feel like the side-by-side's the smarter choice, especially since I'm trying to get the Nissan Z when that comes out. And I think orders open up next month or the month after. I don't remember. I don't remember what I saw, unless that was just for Japan. But anyway, want to thank you guys for joining me. I hope something here was cool. If you saw any of the areas that I was at and you saw like a cool idea to do something, let me know down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and do off-road things.